So there I was, in my best slippers, ready for a right good night I was with me Sudoku. I'd cooked his tea and put his bottle of brown ale on the table. Well, he come in and he says, "Brown ale? Haven't we got anything with a bit more fizz?" "Bit more flippin' fizz," I say. "What's fizz?" Well, you wouldn't credit it. You wouldn't believe what he said. "Cocktails." Cocktails is what he said. "Cocktails with egg, chips, fried bread and best pork sausage," I said. "Yeah, you can pair cocktails for every mood and every style of food," he says. That's the trouble with husbands. They get funny ideas. They're never satisfied with what they've got. He's not been the same since he tried a glass of wine last year whilst we were on holiday at Blackpool. Anyway, I signed up for this cocktail course malarkey he was on about, and it turns out he were only right. First time in 20 years he was right. There is a cocktail for every occasion. And I've swapped me slippers for a Singapore sling, and me old husband for a mixologist called Matt.